In this video, I will show you how to replace the master window switch on this 2004 Volkswagen Passat. This will also work on a 1998 to 2005 Volkswagen Golf and Jetta.
Both of these are stuck. This one's half broken. The windows work perfectly.
All you need is a flathead screwdriver, a Phillips head screwdriver, and the panel. Remove this inset by using your flathead screwdriver and try not to break it. Next, you're going to use your flathead screwdriver to upend this panel, which is also plastic. And you're just going to wiggle it around, the flathead screwdriver around, loosening it until it pops out. It's not screwed in at all. Once it pops loose, disconnect the connector carefully. There is a tab that you have to press in to dislodge it and it will disconnect. Then remove 3 screws.
One, two, three. Phillips head. This is what you want to use. The buttons are falling out, but you don't care because you have new buttons. You have a whole new unit console. Keep track of those screws. This is a broken one, see? See how those 2 buttons, you don't need this anymore. Get a new one. Put it in from the back and screw it down. Super easy. Line it up, make sure it snaps. There you go.